Alright, so a long time since we've done a Sunday lunch video, I think. So we are at just outside of Hexham in Wall, visiting Hadrian's Hotel for a Sunday lunch. So we're going to show you what it's all about. Don't usually do videos in this sort of neck of the woods, so hopefully something for everyone here. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let me know if you've been here before. Let me know what you think. Yeah, we'll go.
Hi, so welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome along. This is Hadrian's Hotel in Wall, a 10-minute drive from Hexham, and this used to be where Hjem was. Hjem, the Michelin-starred restaurant, if you're familiar with that. Lovely views there across from Hadrian's Hotel. I believe there's rooms upstairs, and also just across the road there is also some rooms there, I believe. Also have a nice little outside terrace area, so when it is sunny, I mean it was a sunny day when we were there actually, it was a bit gusty, but it was a sunny day, but we ate inside. There's a restaurant inside. This is the restaurant area with like a bit of an open kitchen so you can see what's going on, and there's a couple of rooms in here as well, so you can sit inside the restaurant if you want. I wouldn't say it's formal, but it's a little bit more upmarket than the bar area. Not that the bar area is down market, so don't try and understand what I'm saying. The bar area is a little bit more chilled out, and they've got some really good beers on the bar as well. Now, the Sunday lunch that they do 2 courses for 28 and 3 for 35. And I think we've been through this a few times in terms of value for money, and I know a lot of people that watch the channel are kind of really focused on that value for money element of it, so we'll come back to those prices in just a minute. There is a good range of drinks here, a load of whites and reds, because it is like a restaurant as well as a bar. They do have a good selection of stuff, because they do a tasting menu as well. When it's not Sunday, they do tasting menu, so they have a good selection of drinks. Obviously, I started off with a Negroni, as I always do, and Tuesday with a white wine and soda. Creatures of habit. So I started off things with the venison tartare. Tuesday she didn't want to have a starter, and we were just going to share a dessert. So it was a starter, a couple of mains and a dessert. So 2 courses for 28, works out as 56 quid for the food. And this venison tartare was really good. The food here is exceptional, to be fair, at Hadrian's Hotel. I really recommend it. And I knew it was going to be good because it is run by the same guys who have got Nest in Heaton, which is on Chilly Road. You might remember, if you've been watching the channel for a while, we did a Sunday dinner visit. Here it is here. This is Nest on Chillingham Road in Heaton. So we went along, this was October 2024 actually, so it's going back a while since we've been at Nest. And at that point I got a beef dinner and Tuesday got a pork dinner, but it's really high quality. They also do tasting menus, so it's a similar sort of vibe, but the dinners are different. But it's just to give you a bit of an insight into the kind of people who are behind Hadrian's Hotel. So Tuesday she went for the pork shoulder, and I went for the lamb leg, Northumberland lamb leg, so everything is fairly local. The cauliflower cheese, now again, when we talk about money, you've seen Sunday dinner videos previously on this channel, I'm sure, and the cauliflower cheese and things like stuffing and things like pigs in blankets and things like extra gravy, these things are always kind of add-ons in a lot of places, and I think it's really important when you talk about the price of some Sunday dinners that you have to really think about what's included. So included on this Sunday dinner is you get your meat, then you get creamy mashed potato, you get your cauliflower cheese included, you get some greens, you get honey parsnips, duck fat roast new potatoes, so that's new potatoes rather than just kind of, I don't know, like Maris Pipers, that sort of thing, heritage carrots, Yorkshire pudding, nice big homemade Yorkshire pudding, and jus. Now what I would say is, when we go to other places, often if you want cauliflower cheese, you will pay 5 quid for a portion of cauliflower cheese. So this portion of cauliflower cheese that we got, it's included within the dinner. So if you just knock 5 quid off the price straight away, when you're talking about 2 courses for 28 or 3 courses for 35, that cauliflower cheese, knock that 5 off straight away, there's 23 quid for 2 courses and 30 quid for 3 courses. I think that's really good value if you're comparing it with other places. But also, in comparison with other places, this is actually probably a better Sunday dinner than most places as well. Everything really well seasoned, which is sometimes ridiculously hard to come by when you go for a Sunday dinner. There is a lot of places where people forget to put some salt on the food or salt in the food when they're making it, like in the mashed potato, get some salt in it. The meat perfectly cooked, nice pink lamb for me. And the roast potatoes, very good indeed, really well cooked. Yorkshire pudding, as I've said, nice homemade Yorkshire puddings. But the real star of the show here was, it says jus on the menu, we're going to call it gravy, but the gravy itself really pulled everything together. The gravy that they do here is amazing. And we got talking to the guys after the meal about the gravy and how good the gravy was. And they were saying that at Nest in Heaton, they actually sell that at Christmas time. People come and just buy the gravy for their Christmas dinner. I'm sure he said last year they sold 140 litres of gravy. I'm sure that's what he said, which, yeah, is pretty insane. But it's understandable because the gravy is absolutely fantastic. So a very, very good and enjoyable Sunday dinner here. Moving on to desserts, there was options for the STP, lemon and lime cheesecake, a dark chocolate mousse, strawberry parfait, and an apple and rhubarb crumble, also a cheese board as well. But you all know, if you're long-time followers of the channel, that we are going to go straight for the Sierra Tango Papa, butterscotch sauce, tonka bean ice cream, and this was a really nice sticky toffee pudding. Again, you can tell that these things are homemade rather than brought in, stuck in a freezer and then banged in the microwave. These things are nice, homemade, well cooked, and the ice cream was very good quality ice cream too, and the sauce that came with the sticky toffee pudding, very nice. So yes, a very enjoyable Sunday lunch that we would definitely recommend.
So there you go, Hadrian's Hotel. Used to be Hjem, if you're familiar with that. So Wall, just outside of Hexham, a few minutes away, and that was an absolutely banging Sunday dinner. I have to say, I don't know where it ranks in like the top 10 or whatever, but it's definitely up there with one of the best that we've had. So these are the same guys also who've got like Nest. So I think you've seen a previous video. If you haven't, you can go back and look at the playlist for the best Sunday lunches that we've been doing. And we did Nest a while back, and Nest was definitely one of our favourite Sunday lunches we've ever had, which is in Heaton. So I really recommend this place. The gravy, absolutely fantastic, as I said in the video. So if you don't subscribe to the channel, please do give us a subscribe. We do a brand new video every single Sunday at 6 p.m. without fail. And the QR code that's on the screen there, that'll take you to all of our different social media, our Facebook and our Instagram and our TikTok and our website and our email. And you can stay here as well. So there's rooms, I think there's rooms upstairs, and then I think there's rooms just over the road there. But just talking to the owners, I think we might see if we can come back another time and do like an overnight stay and show you a bit more like the bar and the rooms, and it is dog friendly too. So we've really enjoyed it here actually. It's not often we venture up to this part when we're doing videos on the channel, so we hope you've enjoyed seeing somewhere a little bit different to just like Newcastle city centre. And we'll see you on the next one. Toodles.